Hello friends, welcome to Commerce and MS Excel app. In this video, we are going to look at two different functions. One is EXACT and other one is CONCAT. Okay. First, we will see what is EXACT. EXACT function will check between two particular texts. Suppose I have written Excel here and Excel here. Both words are perfectly matching or not. You should select the right EXACT function, and the syntax is just select the words. So I have selected the first cell and I want to compare this with this second cell and close the bracket. So it says both are exactly matching and the result is true. If suppose instead of writing Excel in this way, I have written Excel in this way, then it simply says false. Okay, this you can do in generally. We'll do this check like this, where you can put equal to symbol between these two cells, but there is a drawback that it's not going to check the case. Suppose this is in lower case, wherein the first letter of the word is in lower case, and here the first letter of the word is in upper case. Okay, this particular thing is not validated in this simple equal to symbol. So to avoid that kind of misses, we can use EXACT function, wherein it will check the case as well, the case sensitive function, wherein it will validate the uppercase and lowercase as well between the two words. Okay, this function is not only used to validate the case sensitive, but also you can check if you have any spelling mistakes, or if you have added a space in one of the cell, then here you have a space in the second one, so the result shows as false. Okay, so this covers everything, like if you have spelling mistakes and extra spaces, everything will be validated in EXACT function. Now we will look at CONCAT function. So concat function is like, suppose let me write in this way: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, Notepad. Now I want to concat this. You have concatenate function also, but this is bit easier compared to concatenate. Okay, you can simply select this entire range and close. That's it. You can see everything got clubbed into one single text. The difference between concatenate and concat is, for concatenate you simply can't select the entire range. See, the result is different. Okay, so this concatenate function cannot take array, so it is going to take as single cell. So I can concatenate this, then I should give comma, then second word, then comma, the third word, then comma, fourth word, comma, fifth word, like that. So then the result will be matching with my earlier function. So to avoid this multiple steps, we can simply use concat function. You can select entire range and it simply clubs all together to a single text. Okay, both are the new functions, so you can try to use these functions in our day-to-day work, and if see you can reduce some more steps in your regular task. And thanks friend, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel and please share this video.